Hi, my name is Cameron Surrett, and I'm the lead fluids chemist at JAX. And today, I want to take some time to talk about JAX Proofer Chain Oil. JAX Proofer Chain Oil is a specially formulated lubricant intended for use in baking and proofing chain applications or anywhere where humidity or excessive moisture poses a concern. Improper lubricant selection in proofing chain applications leads to severe equipment corrosion. JAX Proofer Chain Oil exhibits excellent water displacement and wear resistance to lengthen chain life. JAX Proofer Chain Oil features a synthetic tacky polymer, reducing the risk for lubricant to drip off the chain and affect the dough rising process. It also incorporates Micronox technology, which protects the lubricant from microbial contamination in harsh environments. JAX Proofer Chain Oil is registered with the NSF as H1, referring to lubricants with approval for incidental food contact. It is also available in an aerosolized version to help reach difficult lubrication points with ease. For further information, please contact your local JAX sales representative.